Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an important tool which will be very helpful for you to automate your research paper writing. So this tool is not only for research paper writing, you can automate your thesis and also your project reports, essays, whatever you want. So this tool will be very helpful for your academic writing, so as well as a common writing also. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will work out for our academic writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on DC and AC microgrid modeling with PV, wind and battery systems. So in this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy system with battery, and we are going to make a DC microgrid. So after that, we are going to incorporate with AC microgrid. We are going to operate the system in grid connected as well as standalone mode. So if you are interested to know more about microgrids, don't forget to register our online workshop. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct online workshop on designing of PV and wind powered EV charging station. So in this workshop, we are going to discuss about PV and wind energy as our input sources, and we are going to implement maximum power point tracking in both of them in order to grasp maximum amount of energy produced by that renewable energy sources. So after that, we are going to incorporate it the EV charging station. We are going to see the response of EV charging station and power management. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. If you want to know curious more about this workshop, that is EV charging station design, don't forget to register our online workshop. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the tool what we are going to discuss today is that Olovka. So in this AI tool, so you will be having different kind of AI templates. So this is the dashboard of this tool. So here you can see all these documents are mostly related to academic writing only. So the first one is essay, second one is research paper, third one is literature review, case study, thesis, project report, presentation, reflective journal and other. So all these things will be very helpful and closely related to our academic writing. So these are the different options. We will explore some of the options. So after you have logged in, you will be given 10,000 free words. So you can generate content using that 10,000 free words. So I am going to opt this research paper. So in this research paper, so here you can see that paper title. So course name, whatever the course name you can give. So next is citation style you can give. So after that, that assignment prompt, so whatever you want you can give. So this is how you have to give the input to this particular AI tool. So here I have selected research paper. So I am going to give an input here, that is paper title. So for that I am going to give machine learning algorithms in energy management grid connected system. So like that I am going to give the name. You can give machine learning for energy management. So like that you can give an input. So after that you can select the language and then citation style. So after giving all the inputs, so if you want to add upon this assignment prompt, so you can add, otherwise give on next. So it will take several seconds and it will generate a perfect outline. So let us see how this AI tool will generate content for us. Here comes our content. So the first one is the overview of energy management system. So the subdivision will be a definition and importance of energy management system, historical context and evaluation of energy management, current challenges in energy management. So this is the basic introduction. Next one is fundamentals of machine learning concepts, types, machine learning versus traditional algorithms in energy management. So next one is machine learning applications in grid connected system, load forecasting, demand response management, renewable energy integration, fault detection and predictive maintenance, data requirements and pre-processing. So in this you can see types of data, data quality, feature selection and engineering. Next one is machine learning algorithm selection, how to select your machine learning algorithm. Next, implementation challenges, future trends and case studies. So this is how you can get this outline of this particular content. So next, if you want to add upon any subheadings, so you can add whatever you want in any of the section of this research paper. So we will add conclusion here, so automatically the conclusion will be added. So if you are satisfied with the outline generated by this AI tool, so you can go to the next step. So here comes our next step. So just click on the next step. So it will take some time, because all the content will generate that is all the subheadings will generate the content. So here comes the content. So here in this 1.1, what are the important things are discussed. So here you can see definition of energy management, so like that it is discussed. So if you want anything you want to add new, so you can add that bullet point, and you can give an input of your points, so automatically that will be added. So other than this, if you are satisfied with this content itself, so you can utilize the same here. So after checking all the details in every section of this paper, so after that, so in each section it will give what are the important points to be discussed in this particular paper. So that is very important. So whenever you are struggling to make a different sections of paper or different sections in your thesis, so you can use this option to make a different section of this thesis. So after completing all this, so you can give on next. Yes, so enjoy unlimited AI word generation with Olovka unlimited plan. So unlimited AI generation, unlimited reference, so you have to go for upgrade option. So other than this, until now you can generate that is outline for that particular content we have asked for. So this is how this AI tool works out. So whenever you are going for in order to generate a complete paper, so you have to go for subscription option. So other than that, so you can use all this option in order to generate outline for your paper. So thereby you can get an idea, and you can use that outlines for your that is thesis or research paper writing also. Now we will explore the next option called literature review. So for example, I am going to give IoT based applications. So I am going to give IoT. So and then click on next. First it will generate outline for that particular review. So overview, architecture, etc. What are the challenges, limitations, case studies, etc. So like that it will generate what are the important things need to be added in every subsection of that paper. So whenever you are struggling to organize your research paper, so you can use this kind of option to organize your research paper. So automatically all the data will be generated here. So it will be more than 10,000 words. So in order to generate a limited thing, so you can delete all these things, that is you want only a crisp data for this particular topic, so you can delete all these things. For example, you can remove all these sections. So just whatever the need you want, so you can just give that alone. So that will helpful for you to generate the content for your paper. So take out, that is remove all the sections which is unnecessary, or you think it will be more for your paper. So you can generate outline in different kinds. So for a thesis you have to generate a detailed subsection part. So for a research paper, so you can limit or restrict to a particular section alone. So this is how you can delete whatever the content you want in this particular that is section, every section of this paper. So and then you can generate the content also. So this is how this Olovka work, but only thing is that you have to go for subscription option, so you have to generate a full paper. So other than this, you can generate a perfect outline using this AI tool. Hope this video will give an aware about this particular AI tool. So go on and explore this AI tool with your keywords, and let us see how it will generate content for you. So as I have already told, as far as this that is plans and pricing is concerned, so for monthly it is $9.95 per month. So you can go on and upgrade. So if you are interested or if you are satisfied with the outline generated by this particular tool. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.